Hello everyone, welcome back to Rao Educator Club. So in this video, we are going to see what is relationship to database management system. Okay, we have created 3 videos from IRS Unit 1. You can check it in the playlist, or I'll put up the link, playlist link in the description box. Okay, so let's take this relationship to database management system in this way. Okay, so information retrieval system, this basically they don't work in isolation. That means they need a huge they just love spreading or exploring things. So they are closely related to other kind of data systems. Okay, which are called as DBMS, very popularly known as database management system, or digital libraries, or data warehouses. Okay, they don't like to work only in one place, and they love to work they want to explore, and they like to work in different places. So when we come to database management systems, okay, now database management system is nothing but it is designed, okay, I'll be clear with my words again. It is designed to structure. What is it designed to structure? Data, numbers, okay, date, text. Now all of these, they are organized into tables. Okay, DBMS is nothing but it is designed to handle some kind of a structured data, numbers, dates, and text into some organized tables. Okay, now what is the main goal of this DBMS is to ensure that the data is stored and retrieved efficiently. That means with a focus on accuracy and speed. So if you don't put it in the table, what happens? You cannot search it easily, right? You'll have to search in sentences and everything, which is very hard. So that is why, to ensure that the data is stored and retrieved efficiently with a focus on accuracy and speed, we are trying to put it in tables. Now let's take a simple example. Okay, example of a banking system. Okay, now what happens in banking system? Basically they track transactions and account details, right? Now when you check your bank balance or a review of this transaction, the system there they use is DBMS to quickly retrieve the specific information that you need from a vast amount of structured data. That means you get your amount, right? The savings and everything, whatever the amount, it is always in tables. Have you observed this? It is basically used so that we quickly get all the numbers and whatever specific information that is required at that time. Clear with this? DBMS is nothing but this is basically designed to handle some kind of a structured data. Now when we come to digital libraries. Okay, digital libraries are nothing but if we can tell it in this way, they're basically a collection of digital objects. Okay, they're basically collection of digital objects like books, articles, videos, and other medias that we are completely using these days. Okay, now what are these objects? Basically they can be retrieved using an IRS, right? They can be organized in a way. Now even now what am I doing? I'm putting it in a playlist so that it will be easy for you to take it, quickly search for things, right? So in the same way, they are basically in a vast collection to find what they're looking for. Example that I can give you is, now imagine an online archive, okay, where you can access all your academic papers. Okay, you type in a keyword or a topic and the system pulls up all the relevant papers, books, or articles from its digital collection. This is nothing but an IRS is in action with a digital library. Clear with this? Now next we have data warehouses. You all have an idea what is a data warehouse? So they are basically large repositories. What do they do is they basically have a large amount of storage area where they can store this data, and basically they use it for analyzing and reporting. Okay, what they do is they aggregate this data from multiple sources and are optimized for a complex query that involve analyzing trends and patterns over time. Now example, if I can tell you, now consider a company's data warehouse. Okay, let's take it as Amazon warehouse. Okay, we have Amazon warehouse, right? What do? They store all the years of sales data in one place, and they analyze the query. Okay, whether this data to be and they identify whether these sale trends are going on, whether forecast future sales are there. Like if we have some Diwali sale or something, what happens? They put up all the things up, right? and they make this informed business decisions. Okay, so the data warehouse organizes and stores the information in a way that will make easy for them to retrieve and analyze, and so the customer doesn't face anything or he doesn't receive the delivery late. Okay, that is nothing but data warehouses. Clear with this relationship to database management systems? First one is DBMS, second one is digital libraries, and third one is data warehouses. Hope it is clear. Thank you so much for watching. You can share it with your friends and please subscribe the channel.